Today in the shop I've got this Scag Turf Tiger 61. I'm doing a lot of work on it. I made a couple other videos. There is one aspect of these machines that I think is overlooked, one maintenance item that I think a lot of guys don't even know about. If somebody doesn't tell you, if you don't read your manual, which a lot of guys don't neglect your gearbox. There is a gearbox between the engine and the deck. Did you know that? There's a gearbox under here. I'm going to show you where it's at and how to check it. So if you follow your drive shaft from the rear of the machine where the drive shaft attaches, I just made a video about the grease points on this thing, so check my other videos for that. But you see that gearbox there at the front of the drive shaft? So this gearbox turns this rotational energy this way and rotational energy this way. And it takes 80-90 gear oil, just your standard 80 weight, 90 weight gear oil. There's a check hole in the side of the thing, and there's a drain plug underneath. They take an Allen wrench. They take two different size Allen wrenches, if I remember correctly. It's been a couple hours since I did it. So you should, I forget what the maintenance schedule is on it. It's not a bad idea to change it every year, but at least check it every year. You'll fill it up till it comes out that hole, and if you need to drain it, you drain it from down here at this plug. This is a very common problem with these things. If you go through high grass or you wrap wire up on this drive shaft, you'll eat the seal out of this thing. So check your gearbox at least annually to make sure it's got fluid in it, and if it doesn't, you probably ate the seal out of this thing. You're going to have to replace it. I hope I helped you with this one, guys. If I did, click that thumbs up button. You want to see more videos of me working on this thing, click the subscribe button. Till the next time, keep on tinkering.